Hi guys, welcome back to the channel again. Today this is your girl Joy Handle. I'm a fashion designer based in Ogun State. I'm also a content creator. I upload video here every week. If you're just joining us, you're welcome. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please kindly do so. Subscribe to my channel and turn on your notification bell so as to get notified each time I upload a new video. And if you're a subscriber already, you're welcome. You're always welcome to my channel. Thank you for supporting me. I appreciate it. God bless you. And again, please help me to like, share, comment to this video and to the rest of my videos. Thank you so much. Very quickly today we'll be learning how to make this fillet dress and a flare sleeve. You can, it's a casual wear where you can wear to any occasion. Let's get into it, guys. So guys, these are the materials we'll be needing for our tutorial. First thing we'll be needing is our measuring tape, our chalk, our scissors, our tape rule, and pattern master. And here is the material I'll be using. This is excellent bridal and it's in total of 3 yards. So now I'll fold it. This is me trying to fold it into 4 before outlining the measurement for this tutorial. So this is 4, folding it into 4, and this, the other side there is folded, the other part too is folded, so it is 25 by 29 inches on fold. That's 25, and this other side is 29 inches. So now you go round, take 29 inches round to meet with the 25 inches at the other end. I hope you can see what I'm doing in this video. 29 inches round to meet with 25 inches. So you go gradually from 29, 28, 27, 26, and you end it up at the other side at this 25 inches, as you can see me doing in this video. So after doing it, you cut this out after meeting everything from the 25 to the 26. And now the length of the gown I'm making is 29 inches, while the other side, which is for the sleeve, would be 25 inches after turning it. So after doing that, the next thing I will do now is taking my shoulder to bust, under bust line. So you take your measurement from your shoulder to under bust line, whatever it gives you. Mine is 15 inches. My under bust is 14 inches plus 1 inch, so it gives me 15 inches. So from there now, you divide this into 2, just like the way I'm doing in this video. So you rule a straight line to meet up with
the other hand there after dividing it, and making sure what I did was that I made sure my 29 inches get to the place I'm rolling out right now, so that the length of the gown I'm making will be accurate with everything. You know, the other side is 25 while this other side is 29, so that is it after rolling it out. So next, now from your under bust line, you take your bust measurement and you add some extra inches to it. So this is the shoulder length. Now whatever you want for your sleeve, after taking your shoulder to shoulder measurement, you add it. So I added 6 inches to my 8 inches for my shoulder to shoulder measurement, which gives me 14 inches. So from there, now I'll measure another 14 inches to roll it out to connect to this other side, to the center part there, as you can see in the diagram. So from there, now I rule out the 14 inches to meet with the center line. So from the end of the sleeve there, I connect it down straight to my waistline, from the shoulder to the waistline, which is 16 to 17 inches. I'll take my pattern master and rule out from my desired round sleeve measurement to the under bust that we rule out the other time. So this is how it is. So I'll give it a curve to meet up to the waistline from that area. So I'll connect it and make a curve to meet with the center line. So now I'm taking 4 inches from the sleeve to meet with the under bust, then curve it down to the line we did the other time. So this is it. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, kindly do so. Help me to like and comment under this video if you find it interesting. Thank you. So in continuation of this video, I'll turn it to the other side now and work on it again. This is me trying to make sure it's the size I needed for the dress, trying to make sure it is wide enough before cutting it out. So I'll cut it out now. Back to our sleeve now. The sleeve I'm making, you remember earlier I curved this side. I can see. So the sleeve I'm making, as you can see. So to cut a longer sleeve, which is flare, you can just roll down straight and then you cut it. But I will be joining, I'll be making a joining there for another sleeve that I want to make. So I will just make a straight line to make sure it is the same length as this other side from that curve. So I will just roll it out now to make sure it is a straight sleeve cutting. So I'll cut it out now. guys, I'll measure 3 inches for the width of the neckline, and for the front neck depth I'll measure 3 inches. For the back, I'll be measuring 1 inches for the back neck depth, and I'll be putting slits, a bit of slit at the back of the dress, and also a button to pass through the head. So what I'm just trying to do now is to connect it from the depth to the width of the shoulder width. So this is me connecting it. So now I'll make sure it's aligned and then cut it out. Cut out just the back neckline before cutting the front. You know, we are cutting everything on fold because of the shoulder. We are not going to be putting any joining on the shoulder. So I will notch it now and open it. As you can see, the way I'm opening this now, I'll make sure it's well aligned, trying to arrange it so that I will not make any mistake on that shoulder part. So after aligning it now, I'll cut out the front neckline. So that's it. So as you can see, here is a beautiful gown. So if you want, you can leave it like this for your clients to be as short as 29 or 28 inches thereabouts, but I will be adding gathers under this gown. This is how it will look like after you finish sewing it. Just look at how flouncy that the down part is. So after wearing it, you just see the gathered, the way it looks fluffy on you. So now I'm trying to get the accurate measurement for the length of the gathers I will be needing for the under part of this dress. So this all together is 42 inches. So I'll be cutting the lengths, or make sure everything is well gathered so that the down will be very beautiful. So this is the two piece of the under of our dress. What we'll be using, this is 12 inches long, and it's the whole of the tape roll for the wideness of it to make a gathers and put under our dress. So here is the remnant of what we cut out the other time for the down part of our sleeve, I said earlier. So I'll be making a bit of gathers too with this, because I want this the sleeve to look just exactly the way the dress is. So now I'll fold this now into two, and I'll measure it. Remember, the sleeve length the other time was 14 inches altogether. So cutting out 6 inches now for this flare. I'll measure 6 inches and then connect it with my chalk and to meet up with the other end there, so that it will look flounce. So I'm trying to make a flounce out of this for the under part of the sleeve I'm making. So after joining both this and the other part together, everything will be 18 inches in length. So I'll cut this out now. Guys, this is me trying to rearrange it to the other side. You can actually make this to be a blouse, as you can see, a crop top and a very wide flace sleeve if you want to. So this is just optional anyway. So this is me just trying to see if it can actually go for another design aside from the dress I'm making. So whichever way you can actually make this, either a top or a dress. So you've gained two beautiful tutorial today. Now I will align it again to cut out the slit I said earlier for the back side. So I'm trying to, make sure it's accurate before cutting so that it will be straight, and the view behind will be unique too. So now make sure like 4 inches down, 3 inches to 4 inches is okay. So I'll make a slit out of it now and cut it out. So that will be all this tutorial. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you so much, I appreciate it. Please, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, kindly do so and turn your notification bell on so as to get notified each time I upload new videos. So guys, please, if you find this video interesting, kindly like, comment below and tell me where you're watching this tutorial from. Thank you so much, guys. Love you, love you. Here's the final look of our dress. Thank you so much, guys. Bye.